morning, madam.
What is your name?
I'm Marilyn Farid.
How old are you?
I'm 35 years old, madam.
What is your education level?
High school graduate, madam.
Can you read and write English?
Yes, madam.
Are you married or single?
Married, madam.
If married, how many children?
I have one, madam.
How old is your children?
17, madam.
Where did you stay, in the province or here in Manila?
Manila, madam.
Do you have experience before working here in the Philippines or other country?
Other country, madam.
Which country you work?
Kuwait, madam.
How long you work in Kuwait?
2 years, madam.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, madam.
What kind of food?
Steamed fish and vegetables.
Do you know how to take care of baby?
Yes, madam.
How old is the baby you take care?
1 year old, madam.
Who is the baby?
My baby of my employers, madam.
Do you like to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, madam.
Do you like to take care of elder people?
Yes, madam.
How old is the elder people?
85, madam.
Who is the elder people?
My employer, madam.
Do you willing to help elder people to take a bath?
Yes, madam.
Can you car wash?
Yes, madam.
Can you drive a car?
No, madam.
Can you ride bicycle?
Yes, madam.
Can you finish your contract for 2 years?
Yes, madam.
Do you smoke cigarette?
No, madam.
Are you afraid of feet like dog?
Yes, madam.
Do you have allergies?
No, madam.
Do you know how to garden or any knowledge in gardening?
Yes, madam.
Can you promise not to bring friends inside the house or in any place near to the house?
Yes, madam.
Now, why do you want to work abroad? Explain why.
To earn money for my baby's future and my family.
Thank you.